freak accident, an impending collision, or if you're kidnapped, staying in the car may be more dangerous than jumping out. Here's how to survive jumping out of a moving car. It may seem impossible to survive this time, but people have, and at breakneck speeds. Why should you look before you leap? How can you protect yourself from the impact? And why did one song make people jump out of the vehicles? Well, if you want to survive this crazy leap of faith, follow these steps. Step 1. Slow down. If you're driving and you need to escape from a moving vehicle, slow it down as much as possible if you can. A lower speed will lessen the impact when your body hits the ground, and that could lessen your injuries. So use the brakes. Start with the foot pedal, and if that doesn't work, pull the emergency brake. You'll need to do whatever you can to decrease the vehicle's momentum. A New Zealand man reportedly had a bad drug trip when he decided to jump from a moving car on Auckland's Harbour Bridge. A witness said the vehicle was traveling at about 80 kilometers per hour when the man jumped out. He rolled a few times before coming to a stop, but that was only the beginning. Next, he jumped off the bridge and fell into the water about 43 meters below. Incredibly, he survived. He swam to safety and only had minor injuries. Step 2. Pad yourself. When things go wrong, you may need to think fast. So if there's time before making your escape, take a look around for any loose items that you can use as padding. Grab pillows, blankets, newspapers, and even napkins. Anything that will soften your landing. Try to stuff anything you can into your clothes. Think of it as makeshift padding that a football or hockey player would wear. And even if you're not able to grab some padding before jumping out of a moving vehicle, you may survive anyway. In early 2021, a female passenger jumped out of a moving car in Fresno, California. And although she hit her head on the car's rear tire, she miraculously survived. The driver of the vehicle said the woman had been drinking and had no idea why she jumped. Step 3. Clear for landing. If you have time, roll down the window or at least take a look around. Try to determine if the place where you'll land is clear of obstacles that could cause pain or injury. Look for any big rocks, trees, barriers, cliffs, oncoming traffic, or anything that could make your fall even more dangerous. If possible, look for a good target for a slightly softer landing, like grass or dirt. Step 4. Tuck and roll. It's essential to avoid landing on your arms or feet, so take a deep breath, crouch, and make your move. Get as low as you can, and tuck your arms and legs up tightly to your chest. The more compact your body is, the more protection there is around your vital organs. And wrap your arms and hands around your head to reduce your injuries. And try to land on your back between your shoulder blade and your spine. But don't fall directly on your shoulder. When you hit the ground, start rolling away to help disperse the energy. This will help you slow down a little more gradually, and hopefully it will be gentler. Step 5. Don't be stupid. Does that sound harsh? Well, you be the judge. Back in 2018, the internet graced us with the In My Feelings challenge. Unfortunately, some people joined the challenge and foolishly jumped out of their moving cars as they danced, sang, and lip-synced along with Drake's song In My Feelings. This was followed by, no surprise here, people getting hurt. In Florida, a man chasing his 15 minutes of fame got hit by a car. It got so bad in Spain that the police put together a compilation video of people getting hurt while jumping out of cars and running into lampposts. The police hoped their video would discourage any more internet fame seekers. But enough about that. You've got bigger problems, my friend. 4,500 kilograms of them to be exact. Don't worry, we've got the perfect video for you. To be prepared and stay alive, keep watching How to Survive.